Today let's talk about factorization. And when we are asked to factorize an equation, you are simply meant to convert the equation back to the factors. Factors are values that you multiply together to give you another value. So the factors of this equation are values that you multiply together that will give you this equation. So when you are asked to factorize, you are asked to break this equation down into values that you can multiply together and will give you this equation. So come with me. The first thing you want to do is you multiply this and this. When you multiply it, you have plus 2a squared. And then the next thing you look for factors of plus 2a squared. Then you look for the sum of factors. Look for the sum of factors. Factors, what are two values that when you add them to, or when you multiply together, it will give you 2. Alright, you can have plus 2 and plus 1. You can have minus 2 and minus 1. If you multiply these two, it will give you plus 2. Alright? If you multiply it, it will give you plus 2a squared. Multiply this will give you plus 2a squared. But when you add this, the sum, when you add this, it will give you plus 3a. But then when you add this, when you add this, it will give you minus 3a. So you're going to look at which of the two aligns with this. This mid value is minus 3a. So this is the one that aligns, so we are going to make use of this. So this is the correct one. So you rewrite the equation a squared minus 3a plus 2. Then instead of this, you now replace with this a squared minus 2a minus 1a plus 2. Then you look at these first two values. What is common? A is common. You bring it out. And then you open a bracket. What will be left here? A times a will give you a squared. Then minus 2. Because a times 2 will give you 2a. Alright? Then you have minus. Here you drop it. What is common to these two values? 1 is common. Into what will be left here? A minus 2. Take note, what you have in this bracket, you must have the same thing in this bracket. So if I multiply minus 1 times a, I have minus 1a. Minus 1 times minus 2. Minus times minus is plus. 1 times 2 is 2. So this is correct. So you now pick this and this. Then you pick it out these two. Alright, so that would be a minus 1 and a minus 2. A minus 1, a minus 2. So with this, I have factorized the equation. I hope that is clear. Let's look at another question. For the next question, u squared minus 8u minus 9. So you multiply this and this. You multiply it, you have minus 9u squared. So what are the factors of minus 9? Then the sum of factors. The factors of minus 9 are minus 3 plus 3. I can multiply both, I will get minus 9. What about 9 and 1? Minus 9 and plus 1. And then I have plus 9 and minus 1. There might be other options, but to save time, just look for values that. So let's try to add. If you add this and this, it's going to give you 0. Add this and this will give you minus 8. Add this and this will give you plus 8. But from what you have here, this is minus 8. So this is the correct one. So we're going to use this. So now you're going to rewrite u squared minus 8u minus 9. Then you have u squared minus 9u plus u. 1u and u, they are the same. Minus 9. Then these two, something is common. U is common. So you have u into bracket, u minus 9. Then plus, what is common here? 1 is common. into u minus 9. Remember we said what is in this bracket will be the same. So you pick this and this, this and this. So that will be u plus 1 and u minus 9. So I'm going to allow you answer these questions quickly and let's see if your answer will be correct. Can you quickly answer the questions? So you can pause this video and attempt this question. B squared plus 5b plus 6, c squared minus c minus 2 equals 0, d squared plus 2d minus 3, q squared plus 2q minus 8, v squared plus 2v minus 35 equals 0. Can you attempt the question? Pause the video now. Alright, welcome back. Let's try to attempt the questions on the board. So you have b squared plus 5b plus 6. Multiply this, you have plus 6b squared. So the factors will be what? Plus 3 and plus 2. If you add the sum, you have plus 5. So that's the correct one. B squared plus 3b plus 2b plus 6. What is common here? B into b plus 3. What is common here? Plus 2 into bracket b plus 3. 2 times b plus 2b. This times this plus 6. So your answer will be b plus 2 and b plus 3. That is the final answer. Then let's pick the fifth question there. Number 5. You have v squared plus 2v minus 35. Multiply these two, you have minus 35v squared. What are the factors? You have 7 and 5. Alright? Minus 7 and plus 5. Then you have plus 7 and minus 5. If you add these two, you have minus 2. Add these two, you have plus 2. So, but we have plus 2 here. So this will be the correct one. So you have v squared plus 2v minus 35. Right, then v squared. In place of this plus 2v, you replace with this. Plus 7v minus 5v minus 35. What is common to these two? V is common. So v plus 7. Then minus 5 is common to 5 can go in the two values. So v plus 7. Remember what you need is a here must be the same here. Minus 5 times v is minus 5v. Minus times plus is minus 5 times 7 is 35. V minus 5 and v plus 7. That's the final answer. So now we are going to take another type of question that is a bit complex compared to this. So come with me. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, do well to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get the information anytime we release a new content. And if you are gotten value from this video, share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have a question or comment, please go into the comment section and then put in your questions. I will be right back to give you answers to your questions. Thank you for being part of today's class. See you in the next class.